Here you go, CNC number 1968, 1213, Upper Deck Artifacts. 8-box half case break. Oops, I forgot to do something. Mike, you want to do me a favor? Empty this. Donka.
Yes, master.
We've got a Frozen Artifacts for the Calgary Flames, Jerome Iginla. We've got a blue parallel, number to 85 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Chris Letang. We've got a Tundra Trios for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick, Drew Doughty, and Jonathan Bernier. Donka. We've got a goalie insert to 999 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. Oh, turn into a Christmas tree, Corey. Turn into a Christmas tree. I want to see you get lit up. We've got a rookie to 999 for the Boston Bruins, Michael Hutchinson. We've got a goalie insert to 999 for the Boston Bruins, Tim Thomas. We've got an auto fax for the Dallas Stars, Francis Wathier. We've got a rookie to 999 for the Buffalo Sabres, Travis Turnbull. And we've got a rookie redemption for the Edmonton Oilers, better known as Nail Yakupov. Now for the Patch. Hey, look, a Christmas tree. We've got a dual patch, numbered 8 of 15 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. Yes, I assure you those are patches. I know, the colors, it's amazing. He's a Christmas tree, as in I'm hoping he will get lit up like A. Box 2. It's always easy to pick out the good Leaf fans and the bad Leaf fans after a loss. We've got a wild card rookie redemption, number 229. You really need to get Twitter, man. It's hilarious. We've got a Frozen Artifacts for the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. Oh, reports coming in. The riots have begun. We need links to videos. We've got a rookie blue parallel, number to 85 for the New York Islanders, Matt Donovan. Video or it didn't happen. We've got a redemption for an auto fax for the Buffalo Sabres, Cody Hodgson. Yeah, until I actually see a reputable news source report it, I'm not buying it for a second. But then when I see that, if CBC or something starts covering it, okay, then it's on. Tundra Tandems for the New York Rangers, Mark Messier and Mike Gertner. And now I hear cop sirens outside. Good timing. We've got a Team Canada insert to 999 for the Buffalo Sabres, Marcus Foligno. Yeah, Toronto got smart about it. They had cops everywhere before, just in case. Rookie to 999 for the Dallas Stars, Scott Glenning. Toronto is not Vancouver. This is what we have learned. We've got a goalie insert to 999 for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. We got a rookie to 999 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Andrew Jodry. And, all right, going for the rainbow, I guess. We've got a jersey and 3-color patch number to 75 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. Christmas trees everywhere. I hope. Alright. Alright, box 3. Alright, we've got a rookie to $9.99 for the New York Islanders, Aaron Ness. Johnny, are you that guy who like will take there's a few small fights and then turn it into there's a riot? Emerald Parallel, number to 99 for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. Because Toronto lost in Game 7 overtime, and you were the guy saying, they're awful, they totally suck. So I'm just saying over-exaggerations may be happening. Blue Parallel, number to 85 for the Anaheim Ducks, Cam Fowler. Cam Fowler. We got a dual jersey, number to 125 for the San Jose Sharks, Antiniemi. We've got an auto fax for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brendan Mickelson. Faulty packs are faulty. We've got a rookie to $9.99 for the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. We've got a rookie redemption for the Tampa Bay Lightning. So that is probably Richard Panik, would be my guess, since Corey Conacher got traded. We've got a Tundra Trios for the Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan, Keith Yandel, and Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Yep, all the breaks are uploaded to YouTube overnight, so if you gotta pull you'll be able to watch it in the morning. We got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brent Seabrook. And we've got a jersey and 2-color patch, number to 75 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Lindros. Alright, on to box 4. Man, it's all We've got a rookie redemption for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Yay! We've got a treasured swatches with a nice 3-color swatch for the Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. We've got an Emerald Parallel, number to 99 for the Florida Panthers, Stephen Weiss. And we got a patch. We've got an auto fax for the Ottawa Senators, Robin Lehner. We've got a goalie insert to $9.99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Dominic Hasek. Yeah, that's the funniest part about it all, though, is Commander Hatfield left the International Space Station right around the time Leafs were up 4-1. Who's going to break the news to him? We got a rookie, number to $9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Bollig. We've got a goalie insert to $9.99 for the San Jose Sharks, Antiniemi. We've got a Tundra Tandems for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron, Nathan Horton. This is awkward. And we've got a rookie to 9.99 for the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. Bad collision for the win. And we've got a horizontal dual patch. This might be the first time I get to say this. Numbered 3 of 9 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jerome Iginla. That doesn't feel right. Jerome Iginla. All right, so halfway home. All right, box 5. I don't know. I'm kind of really hoping for a Bruins-Penguins conference final right now. That would be fun. We've got a blue parallel number to 85 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Sharp. We've got a Team Canada dual jersey number to 125 for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. We've got an auto fax for the Philadelphia Flyers, Nicholas Grossman. We've got a Tundra Tandems for the Chicago Blackhawks, Doug Wilson and Denny Savard. We got a rookie to 9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Dalton Prout. We've got a wild card rookie redemption, number 232, so that'll be random between everybody. We've got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Steve Mason. We've got a rookie to 9.99 for the Dallas Stars, Ryan Garbett. We got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. And we'll finish with a jersey and one color patch, number to 75 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Max Talbot. Maxime Talbot. Exciting patches are exciting. All right, box 6. We've got an auto fax for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. Number 4, Bobby Orr. Bobby Orr auto fax for the Boston Bruins. Kind of a big deal. We've got a Tundra Tandems for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber, Ryan Suter. We've got a rookie to 9.99 for the Dallas Stars, Scott Glennie. We've got a rookie redemption wild card number 236. We've got an emerald parallel number to 99 for the Ottawa Senators, Daniel Alfredson. We've got a dual jersey number to 125 for the Detroit Red Wings, Nicky Lidstrom. Go Wings, go! Woo! Yes. We've got a Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Simone Desprez. Bold prediction: Pittsburgh Detroit Stanley Cup Final. Again. Rookie to 9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Andrew Jodry. We got a Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Awkward. And we've got a 2-color jersey and 2-color patch number to 75 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Johnny Bower. Well, he was in net the last time they won the Cup, wasn't he? Hashtag trolling. All right, box 7. Ecom and Bergeron. We've got a treasured swatches for the Buffalo Sabres, Tyler Ennis. We've got an emerald parallel number to 99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Clutch Zetterberg. Oh, captain, my captain. I don't know if that C on his chest stands for captain or clutch, though. I'm just saying. We've got a Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Brendan Morrow.
Stands for crazy bad skills.
We've got a rookie to 9.99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, UC Arunas. Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. We've got a Team Canada dual jersey number to 125 for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Whoever that guy is. We've got an auto fax for the Colorado Avalanche, Ryan O'Reilly. We've got a rookie to 9.99 for the Minnesota Wild, Jason Zucker.
Right now I'm getting Washington.
Huh?
Right now I'm getting Washington.
Yeah. And we got a rookie redemption for the New York Rangers. Probably.
I got Washington by that.
All right, fine. No Brett Hall patch for you. See? We've got a Tundra Tandems dual fight strap. Number 1 of 12 for the Colorado Avalanche, Paul Stastny and Matt Duchene. 1 of 12, Paul Stastny, Matt Duchene. GTK, yes, probably JT Miller for the Rangers redemption. Outside chance of Christian Thomas. All right. Box 8. 8 and $5. Oh no, Garrett, I'm a realist. I do not see Detroit getting through Chicago, and even if they do, I then do not see them getting through LA. So, realistically, not going to happen, but I can hope. We've got a rookie to 9.99 for the Minnesota Wild, Jason Zucker. Woo collation. We've got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Winnipeg Jets, Andre Pavlik. We've got a rookie blue parallel, number to 85 for the Phoenix Coyotes, Michael Stone. We got a dual jersey, number to 125 for the Boston Bruins, Nathan Horton. We've got... My turn now. Boo! We've got a dual jersey and autograph, numbered 11 of 12, for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. That's a sick hit, but still, boo! Jonathan Toews, number to 12. Juan, just remember, you have 0 chirping rights from here on out. Rookie to 9.99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, UC Arunas. We got a rookie redemption, wild card, number 237. No Tarasenko show for you. We got our Frozen Artifacts for the New York Rangers, Chris Drury. We've got a Tundra Trios for the Winnipeg Jets, Andre Pavlik, Vander Kane, and Dustin Byfuglien. And we've got a Team Canada insert number to 999 for the San Jose Sharks, Dan Boyle. Alrighty, multi-randoms coming up.